Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone! Before I show you the trip to Snyder West I done a few days ago, here's all the trains I caught at my airport before that happened. Well, one of them at least, because the other two were taken after the trip. The first train I caught is CN Q101, going from Brampton to Lower Banks, BC. It was led by 2992 with a really awesome K5HL horn. And for a mid-DPU is 3322, a freshly rebuilt AC44C6M. It was originally 2621, and 101 has 151 rail cars. This is actually 3322's first run on the ballast sub ever since it was rebuilt. The next train I caught is CN X314, a grain train actually, going from Winnipeg to Toronto. This is my first time seeing X314 with it all being grain cars. It was led by 2965, which has the Every Child Matters sticker. And for a rear DPU is 2972. And X314 has 98 grain cars. And this was taken after the Snyder West trip. Now to end off this video, here's another daylight appearance of CN A450, going from North Bay to Toronto. It was led by 5615, which is an SD70I with a really terrible K3 horn. Trailing second is 5687. And trailing third is 8017. And trailing third is 8017. A Thundercab SD70M-2. And I actually seen this unit at Snyder West a few days ago. What train was it on? You'll find out tomorrow. I also saw 5615 last year when it was trailing second on M314. And the A450 has 93 freight cars. Now take a listen to the K3 horn. Now that's what I call a really terrible K3 horn. Even the bell is louder than the horn LOL. But that wasn't the worst K3 I ever heard. This is the worst one. That was from 5724 when I caught it reading on Q101. Forgot to mention that 8017 doesn't have a really good logo because the N is missing on the right side. Like I mentioned, you will see this unit again tomorrow because I actually caught it at Snyder West. Well, I really hope you enjoyed all of the trains that I caught throughout the rest of the week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And until my Snyder West video, I will see you tomorrow at my premiere. Peace out, folks. Hey, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this VFM video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual. See ya, guys!